India for Law, Architecture Council of India, Pharmacy Council of India, National Council of Teachers Education, Rehabilitation Council of India, and so on. These are some of our campuses at Gurgaon, Greater Noida, Gwalior, Jaipur, Noida, Mumbai, Lucknow, Kolkata, Raipur, Ranchi. International campuses at London, Singapore, New York, California, Nanjing, Beijing, Mauritius, Dubai. International schools at Noida, Saket, Pushp Vihar, Vasundhara, Mayur Vihar, Gurgaon. International schools at Abu Dhabi and South Africa. QS, the ranking agency, has ranked Amity as one of the top universities in Asia. These are ranking by various magazines and periodicals, and we feature in first 10 in almost all disciplines. In 2013, we got the Institutional Excellence Award for Law. Now, Amity virtually offers programs in almost every field, starting with actuarial science, architecture, banking, commerce, communications, computer science, economics, engineering, fashion, hospitality, insurance, law, management, pharmacy, physiotherapy, telecom, and travel and tourism. These are some of the cutting-edge areas where Amity offers programs like advanced material and devices, aerospace, avionics, biotechnology, biomedical science, clinical engineering, cold chain management, competitive intelligence and strategic management, food technology, forensic science, horticulture, nanotechnology, nuclear science and technology, post-harvest technology, solar and alternate energy, virology and immunology. These are some of our specialized MBAs, including the 3-continent program where the student gets to do one of the semesters in US and UK. Our faculty have developed 1800 case studies, as I mentioned a while ago, and these are being taught all over the world. 62 countries have purchased these case studies, and all major corporates teach our case studies. We have about 30,000 students globally connected through distance education. The unique feature of our curriculum is that they are structured based on the demand and expectation of the industry. And these are the organizations who are part of our board of studies who keep advising us on the structure of curriculum. These are some of the short-term value-added programs which are offered by Amity for students as well as working professionals. ASTIF is Amity Science Technology Innovation Foundation. It promotes cutting-edge research in the frontier areas of science and technology, including other fields of national importance. ASTIF also gives research fellowship at doctoral and postdoctoral level. We have about 300 research projects which are funded by leading government bodies. Our faculty have authored about 600 books. 6,000 research papers have been published. And these research projects are supported by major ministries of Government of India like Ministry of Environment and Forest, Ministry of Mines, Food Processing, Earth Sciences, Health and Family Welfare, Agriculture, CSIR, Science and Technology, Biotechnology, Atomic Energy, DRDO, and so on. We encourage student participation in research, and our students have filed more than 100 patents. Top scientific leadership has joined Amity. About patents, I already mentioned that we have filed more patents than all the IITs put together. Now, these are some of the development by our scientists in recent times. Root tonic, it enables plant growth even in drought-like conditions with just one application. And you would have heard of non-biodegradable plastics, but our scientists have made biodegradable plastics. Cooking oil, if it is used again and again, it becomes unfit for human use. So there's a kit to detect its toxicity. Similarly, there's a water purification kit, and in case of a LPG cylinder, the same can also be detected. Now, we believe in holistic grooming of students, and therefore, beside academics, we also impart compulsorily training in one of the foreign languages, communication skill, behavioral science, human values. There is a strong institution of mentorship that we follow, and there is a 6-day exposure of military cum adventure training. We have the former DG NCC, Lieutenant General Bopanna, who will touch upon the essentials of this military training. And all these attributes make an Amitian stand apart in a crowd. We have a green campus, we have rainwater harvesting, we have a sewage treatment plant, Our DG sets are noiseless, and environmental studies is a compulsory credit in all undergraduate programs. These are some of the facilities in the campus like department stores, textile bookshops, banks and ATM, beauty salon, laundry, organic farm, creche, guest house and underground parking for 1,000 cars. We have 2 doctors present in the campus 24/7, and we have tie-up with several hospitals in the NCR. Our all buildings are fitted with firefighting equipment, and regular mock drills are held to check their functionality. Ours is a secure campus. Entry into the campus is through a smart card. Access is also controlled through turnstiles, boom barrier, biometric sensors, 24/7 surveillance cameras, 24-hour guards, patrolling gypsies, security dogs, and so on. And our campus is totally ragging free. Our sports facilities are of international standard, and we have 8 multi-cuisine cafeteria / food court. We have both AC and non-AC rooms in the hostel. And here it shows our founder president with 100% scholarship winners. The criteria for scholarship at undergraduate level, we have for 100% scholarship, the students have to get 93% in class 12, and for 50% scholarship, 90% in class 12. Similarly, there is scholarship even at postgraduate level. The details are given in the prospectus. We facilitate loan through banks, and there is a guidance cum counseling center in the campus. Our classrooms are of various configuration, like the amphitheater type classroom, MDP rooms, syndicate rooms, e-learning studios, auditoriums of various sizes, a moot court hall where you are sitting in, and a central library with large collection of books and e-journals. We have our own internal quality assurance department, and Amity is probably the only university that has got ISO certification in 5 major areas of quality management system, environment management system, food safety management system, information security management system, and energy management system. Our intellectual capital has immense diversity and depth. We have several retired vice chancellors, retired IAS, IPS officers, secretaries to Government of India, ambassadors, chairman Minority Commission, and admirals and generals who are part of Amity. These are some of the Nobel laureates who visited Amity, and their remarks are appended below their photograph. Amity students are most exciting that I have ever met. I am very impressed with Amity University, and Amity Honorary Doctorate is very special. Amity has great achievements in the field of research and innovation. Dr. Rick Levy is a regular visitor to Amity. These are some of the global gurus who came to Amity, and this is what Edward de Bono said for Amity students: when you know the answer, always look for a better one. Now, some of the internationally acclaimed academicians who came to Amity from Wharton, Oxford, Cambridge, and so on, cultural maestros who performed at Amity, social leaders who came to Amity. And this is what our late President Dr. Abdul Kalam said: I believe that Amity would generate a pool of creative leaders for participating in national development mission. Amity offers honorary doctorate to eminent citizens, the recent recipients being Dr. Najib Jung, the ex-governor of Delhi, and Dr. Prannoy Roy. Our students have developed hybrid car, Formula 1 car. They've been on the racing track. And she's our CBSE topper, Amity International School, Noida, 99.6%, Raksha Gopal. Femina Miss India winner 2015, Miss Aditi Arya. She's from Amity International School, Gurgaon, and here photographed with our chairperson, Dr. Mrs. Samita Chauhan. Other student achievers, we have Grassy Mr. India, we have Femina Miss India finalists, and we have youngest Grandmaster. He's also recipient of Arjuna Award. These are some of the organizations where our students are working, like the Army, Navy, Air Force. These are some of the corporates where they are placed. Please note that every institute has got a website of its own, and these data are also available in respective websites. There is great focus on internationalization. For the founder president feels that we must bring the world to Amity and take Amity to the world. And consequently, we have tie-up with several universities the world over, like the universities in Europe, universities in North America, in Asia, Australia, and South Africa. And these are some of the universities where our students are studying, like Columbia, Stanford, Purdue, Warwick, Manchester, Michigan, and so on. Now, as regards internationalization, please note that all Amity students have the option to choose a study abroad program, which is a 5 weeks exposure into one of our campuses in various global campuses that I just mentioned a while ago. Besides, there is the 3-continent program where you get to do 1 semester abroad, that is in US and UK. And then there are several international programs where you do part of the program in India, that is in Amity, and finally you take admission in one of the foreign universities with whom we have articulation arrangement, and final degree is from that foreign university. Now, there is an innovation incubator, and there are several success stories to narrate from this innovation incubator. Anybody with an entrepreneurial zeal, then this is the place for him or her, where the idea of the candidate is examined, nurtured, encouraged, and if required, even seed capital arranged. We have been able to have several startups through this process. Our sports meet is like a mini Olympics with 15,000 students taking part. It culminates in a function called Sangathan. Our youth festival is hugely popular in the NCR, and ours is a technology-enhanced campus because Amazon is our intranet, and it gives these facilities, that is the online timetable and attendance, syllabus, course material, exam admit card, online fee payment, faculty feedback, etc. The point to note is that not only the students but even parents can have access to Amazon, and thus you will be able to monitor the attendance of your ward. Because we are very particular about attendance, the students have to have 75% attendance to be able to sit for exam. Beside academics, we also impart training to officers from various walks of life like the armed forces, the CPOs, state police, IAS, IPS, various NGOs, PSUs, banking professionals, and so on. Amity Humanity Foundation. It's headed by our chairperson, Dr. Mrs. Amita Chauhan. It aims to promote equitable social development of the economically challenged, marginalized, and weaker sections of the society. It runs 2 schools for underprivileged children, namely Atulasha and Amitasha for boys and girls respectively. Now, in a medal-starved nation, these are some of the initiatives taken by Amity in the field of sports, and I'm sure in the days to come, we will have several success stories out of these initiatives. During Human Values Quarter, a number of philanthropic activities are undertaken. Now, our founder president was awarded International Jurist Award in 2014 in London, a Golden Peacock Award again being received by our Chancellor, and Lifetime Contribution in Edupreneurship Award being awarded by then HRD Minister Dr. Shashi Tharoor. Here it shows the founder president with Dr. Atul Chauhan and Dr. Asim Chauhan. They are products of London School of Economics and Wharton Business School. They, under the visionary leadership of our founder president, are charting the destiny of Amity Universe. They are probably one of the youngest chancellors anywhere in the world. And it is founder president's dream to have one university in every state. And very soon we shall be there. With that, I have finished. And before we take on your questions, we have assembled a galaxy of experts, and I'll request the faculty to kindly introduce themselves one by one.
A very good afternoon and a very warm welcome to Amity University. Myself, Dr. Alka Mudgal. I'm looking after Amity Institute of Education. We are actually into producing teacher educators for all levels of education. So if you have any query relating to teacher education, you're most welcome.
Good afternoon. Myself, Professor R.L. Kaul. I'm working with Amity Law School, Noida. As far as the coordinator of the LLM is concerned, any question with respect to LLM admissions, that can be taken care.
My name is Lieutenant General Bopana. I head what we call the Amity Indian Military Education Society. Now, your wards have come to study different academic disciplines, but what is common to all the students who take admission, who seek admission here, is a week-long military training program which has been made compulsory for all our students. I don't want any of you to get worried. Our aim is not really to turn them into green soldiers, particularly those having girl child. Our aim is to actually make them imbibe certain essential military work ethos. MT gives you tremendous opportunities. There are 1,000 different options when they complete their education. But as and when they complete, if they pass out of the portals of the MIT institution with a lot more confidence, with leadership qualities, that is what is going to be a stepping stone, definitely, for success. So with that aim in mind, this program, which we refer to as the MIT Greenhorns Training Camp, is conducted at Manesar, which is about 60 kilometers from here on the highway to Jaipur, where they are put up in a tented camp, army style. We have military instructors who take care of them by way of physical activities, adventure activities, a few motivational lectures, and films. They're made to wear a uniform, and from dawn till dusk, there is a program that they go through. All those instructors also hail from some of the reputed military institutions in our country. And this is a program which is unique to MIT and MIT alone. Nowhere in the world is a program of this kind run. You don't also have to pay any extra fee for that. It is part of the overall fee that gets collected at the beginning of the academic year. Another thing which I want to briefly mention to you for your information and for those of you who have younger children, MIT International Schools were mentioned in the earlier briefings. We have 8 of them in Delhi and NCR. All the 9th and the 10th standard students in our schools are compulsorily cadets of the MIT Cadet Corps. So all of this aimed at nation building, of wanting each one of our students to inculcate those essential character qualities more than anything else. We also have yet another unique institution, one of its kind in our country, which we call the MIT Indian Military College. This is meant for young boys. Selected young boys at the 8th and the 9th standard level join this institution, and they are put through CBSE pattern education, 8th through the 12th. Simultaneously, they are also groomed and prepared to go to the National Defense Academy. That's about all I have. Thank you.
Very good afternoon. Myself, Dr. Abhay Bansal. I am Joint Head for MIT School of Engineering and Technology. We have various departments like Computer Science and Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electronics Engineering, Electrical Engineering, and Civil Engineering program. We have Bachelor program, we have Master program, and we also have PhD program. As many students today appear for Master program, so after that, even if they are interested to do PhD program, so we have 200 plus students, and in engineering as a whole, we have around 5,500 plus students. Our engineering, which is MIT School of Engineering and Technology, has been highly ranked by NIRF. We have been ranked the best engineering institute in Delhi, NCR, and Uttar Pradesh. And this is not possible. It is because of a lot of focus we have given on research, publication, project, and patent. And we have very good internationalization activities. I'm also director for international collaboration for engineering and technology. Even during MTech program, because we have 6-month project during 4th semester, so we have sent many of our students to various top universities in the world, all over the world. Even they are the students, they have gone to US to do their project. They are the students, they have gone to Taiwan, they have gone to China, they have gone to Canada, and they have done so well, they are also continuing their PhD from those universities. And if they want a local job, even in country also, we have very good placement facilities where we have got CRC and ATPCN center. And I'm sure today you can interact with us, you can visit to the department, and we are all there to help you, guide you, and show that how MIT University is different from others. Thank you and welcome once again.
Very good afternoon to all of you. Very warm welcome to all the parents at Amity University. Myself, Dr. Shefali Raizada, heading Amity Law School, Noida. We offer different programs under undergraduates, master's program, and doctoral level. Any question, I would like to take up your questions relating to these programs. And welcome once again. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Group Captain Saxena. I am from the Amity Law School, heading the CRC, looking after the law placement. I welcome all your questions. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Dr. Rita Kumar, representing Dr. Abha Singh, Director of Amity Institute of Psychology and Allied Sciences. Our institute is having courses UG, PG, MPhil, and PhD. And total around 1,100 students are the part of our institute, and we are having more approach to the preventive psychology. As psychology